One of the main benefits of the M225, it has the press fit option available to be able to make the connector first before locking. So this will prevent you from damaging the crimp terminals before making the connection itself. Another key feature of the crimp itself is a three-fold crimp terminal, so that if there is high vibration, there will always be contact with the crimp terminals at all times. As the industrial market, they do produce in high volume. To be able to have a connector, again, be able to withstand vibration from, let's say, aerospace and military environments, and have it at half the cost, is a key factor for the industrial market. The application that needs this type of durability is for drive control units or portable handheld devices that will need to withstand high vibration if it was to be in an environment where there's a lot of high vibration, high factors in the sense that where products will be moved. Vibration is key in industrial products. This is a very exciting project for Harwin itself. It's a product that we have been developing. We have taken the technology that we're using from our Datamate range. However, we're taking the qualities of the Datamate and putting it into a product which will provide the same quality but at a reduced cost.